Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. As always, I appreciate all the love and support. And thank you guys for watching. This look really gives me Barbie vibes. All products will be in the description box. I have a hold up products. If you have any questions, please ask. I will not do a voiceover because it's too loud in my house. Kids is playing and stuff. And yeah, you can pretty much see what I'm doing. Love you guys. Be safe out there. I will say I got this palette from the beauty supply. It was $2.99, and the red colors are blushes, but I use them as shadow. The pinks, I'm like, whatever. Just with primer, they go good on the skin, and they lasted all day, so it's pretty good buy for $2.99.
You're my doll, rock and roll, feel the glamour and bling. Kiss me here, toss me there, hanky panky.
You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours. Ooh, I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life fantastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, that is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Alright guys, there you have it. Here's a completed look. I appreciate all the support and thank you guys for watching. My next look will be a very colorful look. It's the summertime and the spring colors as well, but I just wanted to stick it out there. Love you guys. Bye. Stay safe, everybody.